Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? How are you all? Hope you are fine. Say, I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. Say, I am fine. Thank you. In this critical situation, stay home, stay safe, but learning should not stop. Never stop learning. I am with you. I am your teacher Asma. Let's come toward study. Who will sing ABC song for me? Who will sing ABC song for me? Let's sing ABC song. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Repeat after me. I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Clap for yourself. Today our topic is letter I. We will learn about letter I. I'm going to teach you letter I, its vocabulary and its sound. Today we will learn about letter. Yes, tell me. Letter I. Today we will learn about letter I, its vocabulary and its sound. Students, first of all, tell me, what is the sound of letter I? Tell me the sound of letter I. When we pronounce the sound of letter I, we pronounce from our throat. We will do little stress on our throat and pronounce the sound of letter I. The sound of letter I is A. The sound of letter I is, listen to me, be careful, listen to me. The sound of letter I is A. The sound of letter I is A. The sound of letter I is A. You will do little stress on your throat and pronounce the sound of letter I. Okay? The sound of letter I is A. The sound of letter I is A. Now I will tell you about the vocabulary of letter I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. I-C-E, ice, I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Repeat after me. Here is another ice cream. I-C-E, ice, C-R-E-A-M, 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 ice cream. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. IG, ig, L-O-O-Loo, igloo. IG, ig, L-O-O-Loo, igloo. I is for igloo. IG, ig, L-O-O-Loo, igloo. IG, ig, L-O-O-Loo, igloo. I is for ill. I is for, repeat after me and learn vocabulary of letter I. I is for, tell me, I is for ill. I-double-L, ill. I is for ill. I is for ill. I-double-L, 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 ill. I is for ill. There is also ill. I is for ill. I-double-L, ill. I-double-L, ill. I-double-L, ill. Here is injection. I is for injection. Student, listen carefully. Listen carefully. I-N, in, J-E-C, jack. Shun, T-I-O-N, shun. T-I-O-N, pronounce shun sound. T-I-O-N, pronounce shun sound. I-N, in, J-E-C, jack. T-I-O-N, shun, injection. I-N, in, J-E-C, jack. T-I-O-N, shun, injection. I-N, in, J-E-C, jack. Shun, T-I-O-N, shun, injection. I is for inkpot. I is for inkpot. I-N-K, ink. P-O-T, pot, ink pot. I-N-K, ink. P-O-T, pot, ink pot. I-N-K, ink. P-O-T, pot, ink pot. Students, tell me any word which has initial or starting alphabet I. Who will tell me any object which has starting alphabet I? Yes, tell me. I is for insect. I-N, in, S-E-C, sect. Insect. Insect. Insects. I-N, in, S-E-C, sect. Insect. insect. Here is also word insect. I is for insect. I-N-N-S-E-C, sect, insect. I-N-N-S-E-C-T, insect. I-N-N-S-E-C, sect, insect. Here is also insect. I-N-N-S-E-C, sect, insect, insect. Now, here are some sight words. The sight words. Our first sight word is in. I-N, in. Our first sight word is in. I-N, in. Our first sight word is in. I-N, in. Repeat after me with correct pronunciation. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. And our third sight word is potato. Potato. It's not potato. It's potato. P-O-P-T-A-T-T-O-T. Potato. Potato. Our third sight word is potato. P-O-P-T-A-T-T-O-T. Potato. And our fourth sight word is peas. It's not words peas. Its word is P pronounced P sound. Peas. P pronounced P sound. Its word is peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Onion. Our last sight word is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Okay, in the last, who will tell me starting alphabet of elephant? Who will tell me starting alphabet of elephant? Think and tell me. Hurry up, you have 5 seconds. Think and tell me what is starting alphabet of elephant. Starting alphabet of elephant is E. E is for elephant. That's good. Stay home. Stay safe. Learning should not stop. Take care of yourself. Say goodbye, teacher. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.